A Corey Bottom Fulte Godoivke Airport, Birmingham. Ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon. You are indeed very welcome to Birmingham. The local time is 5 minutes to 4 p.m. We have arrived ahead of schedule. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we have reached our final parking stand and the captain has switched off the overhead seatbelt signs, which may take a few moments after we park. Before leaving us, please remember all your personal belongings. Do check the overhead compartments, the seat pocket in front of you, and also the area around your seat. Do take care when disembarking the aircraft today. When you are descending the aircraft steps, use the handrails provided. Smoking is not permitted until you have left the main terminal building and then only in a designated smoking area. Please be reminded that it is illegal to smoke on the ramping area. On behalf of Captain Alex Jeffers, First Officer Cormac O'Mahony, Noel and myself, Keith, I would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. It certainly has been our pleasure to have you on board, and we do look forward to welcoming you back on many more scheduled services many times in the very near future. Until the next time you join us, may I suggest you log on to our website to aerlingus.com. Here you can keep up to date with all our great fares and current deals that may be on offer. Wishing you a safe onwards journey, or indeed a very pleasant stay here in Birmingham from us all on board. Thank you and goodbye.